Alright, welcome back. Gusto na po. Update ko lang kayo, natigil tayo siguro mga 1 or 2 weeks, hindi na tayo nakagawa ng video, masyado po tayong busy. Update ko lang kayo, tinigil ko muna yung juice shop, OWAS juice shop. I decided to focus on this one instead. Nakita ko po na mas marami akong matututunan dito compared to juice shop na I had to figure everything out by myself. Pero dito may natututunan tayo which is related to what I wanted to do, which is penetration testing and red teaming. Naka-enroll po ako sa Junior Penetration Tester module or learning path. Ang intention po natin ay matapos natin to and get either a work as penetration tester or as a red team, or kung di tayo mapasok ng trabaho, at least get clients or get customers na I can offer penetration testing services. Medyo long shot given my situation, but why not? I've been doing this for more than a week now, and ito yung ginagawa ko the past few days. Medyo nakalimutan ko lang gumawa ng video or hindi ako nakagawa ng video dahil medyo mahirap po siya. Aaralin mo muna and then merong mga questions and then merong mga challenges. So sa ngayon, nandito na tayo. I have finished this 73% of the way. Nandito na tayo sa file inclusion. Ang highest rank ko dito last week was I think number 4. Parang sinunod-sunod natin. Medyo madali pa yung mga questions. So umabot tayo number 4 pero bumababa na tayo again to number 9. Ang objective natin is to do one of these every day. I am going to make a recording every day and post it, publish it on this channel. I think irrelevant kung ano yung rank natin. Pero as much as possible, di ba? Top 15 tayo para pumasok sa next league. Ito yung username natin dito, ang matandang kutso. Ito yata yung points na earn natin, which is, I don't know. I don't know what that means. Skills matrix, I'm gunning towards penetration testing and red teaming. Although, pagka nagsawa ako, um, sinusubukan ko yung blue team ng mga learning path. Medyo easy pa rin yung kinukuha natin, pero medyo maraming dapat aralin eh. So, tsaga lang muna. So, itutuloy na natin to. We'll solve one problem and then explain ko in Tagalog as best as I can. Kung hindi ko ma-explain mabuti, tanong nyo lang sa comments and I'll try to get back with you on that. So tuloy natin to. Either I can click here, 73% na, I will do the challenge or resume learning. Scroll back lang tayo, natapos ko na itong mga to. Okay, nandito na tayo sa challenge. Pero before anything else, buksan natin yung virtual machine or VPN. Start natin siya. Okay, and then mag-connect tayo using my terminal. Okay, sudo open VPN tunnel. Yung command to connect to the VPN using OpenVPN, enter my password. And so it's connecting. Okay, kunan natin yung IP address. IPA tunnel 0. So ito yung IP address. Copy. And then I will open a browser. Tingnan natin kung nandito na siya. Yan. Copy lang natin to and then new tab, Control V. So ito yung lab. And then we'll go here, challenge number 1. So file inclusion lab. Ang hinahanap natin is capture flag 1 at etc flag 1. etc is the folder. Ito yung hinahanap natin, flag 1 inside the etc folder. So ito yung instructions niya. Find entry points, enter valid input, and see how the web server behaves. Okay, kita niyo ba? I think I can. Yan. These are the instructions. I hope you can read it. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Capture flag 1 at etc flag 1, flag 2, flag 3. So gawin muna natin yung etc flag 1. I will reset this. Go here. So ito yung lab 1, challenge 1, lab number challenge 1. Include a file in the input for below. Yung file na sinasabi niya rito is yung flag 1 na hinahanap natin. The input form is broken. You need to send post request with file parameter. Kasi usually kung kukunin natin kunyari yung flag 1 na file from the etc folder, usually it's the get request dahil we're asking for a file from the web server. Post, usually ginagamit natin to for, let's say, mag-sign up ka or mag-register ka sa website. So, subukan natin. For example, welcome. Ano ba makukuha natin? Automatically, ang web developer nito, ginawa niyang post request, get request, not post. So, subukan na natin. When you click on include, it's going to send a get request to the web server. Wala nangyari. So, tingnan natin in the back end, inspect, right-click on this one, inspect, para makita natin kung ano nangyayari in the back end. Masabi sa instructions, input form is broken, so we don't use it as is. You need to send a post request. Saan ba natin makikita yung post request? Dito yon. Method, get. Ito. So we need to change this one. I hope you can see it. Double click, change that to post. Enter. And then let's try getting that file flag1. Tingnan natin kung ano makuha natin. Naka-post siya. Consistent. Post request. Include etc flag1. There you go. Ito yung nahanap natin. Copy. Tama. Let's go back to the challenge. Post, paste, and then check, submit. Correct answer. So, nasagot na natin to. Ang susunod is flag 2. Pero dahil naka 8 minutes na tayo sa video, ito lang muna. I will publish this and then we'll make the other video. Yung kukunin na natin itong etc flag 2. Okay? So, thanks for watching. Tayo natin. Papublish ko lang to and then I'll get back. Thank you.